Good afternoon. Welcome to Max Fair. I am Kanishka and I am from team Grandma. Today I am going to tell you a few facts about T. Grandma was a blind mathematician and inventor. He was born on February 3 in 1952 and he invented abacus for blind people and for easy calculations. This is the model of abacus. Abacus has six types of abacus. There are 30 beads which helps in calculations and to increase the mental strength of each. Abacus helps in calculations and each bar represents ones, tens, hundreds and so on. Now I will explain how abacus is helpful in addition. Here I am taking 8 beads and I am adding 5 beads to it. Can you tell me how many beads are here? No problem, I will tell. 8 plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 beads. In this way, the abacus helps in addition. In subtraction, I am taking 10 beads and also I am adding 9 beads to it and I am subtracting 5 beads from it. Can you tell me how many beads are here? No problem, I will tell. Here 10 plus 4, 14. In this way, the abacus helps in subtraction. In multiplication, if there is a question, 7 pizza. Here 7 is repeating 3 times. I am taking 7 beads from 3 rows. And now I am adding these beads. Here there are 21 beads. So the 7 pizza is 21. In this way, the abacus helps in subtraction. Thank you.